In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove Wix Chat 2026 step-by-step guide. If you've been seeing the chat bubble on your Wix site and want a cleaner look, or simply don't need live chat anymore, I'll walk you through exactly how to remove it. We'll start in the editor, take it off the page, and if you want, fully remove the app from your site's backend so it doesn't come back. I'll also show you how to confirm everything's gone before you publish. First, open your Wix editor. Log into your Wix account and head to your dashboard. From there, select Design Site or Edit Site to open the editor for the website you're currently working on. Give the editor a moment to load. You'll know you're in the right place when you see your site canvas with the left-hand toolbar. Next, locate the chat box. In most layouts, the Wix chat widget is anchored to the bottom right or bottom left corner of your site's footer inside the editor. Look for the familiar chat bubble icon or a small bar that says something like "Let's chat." If your footer is tall, you may need to scroll down in the editor to see it. Now select the chat element. Click directly on the widget to highlight it. You should see a blue bounding box around the element, along with a small floating menu offering options like Settings, Manage Chat, and Layout. That blue outline confirms you've selected the correct item. To remove it from the page, you have two simple choices. The fastest is the manual method. With the chat element selected, press the Delete key on your keyboard. Alternatively, you can right-click on the chat element and choose Delete from the context menu. Either way, the chat widget should instantly disappear from your site layout in the editor. If you change your mind, you can use Undo to bring it back. If you want to remove the app entirely so it won't be available across your site, open the App Market from the left-hand sidebar and click Manage Apps. Find Wix Chat in your installed apps list, click the three dots next to it, and select Delete App. This optional step removes the integration from your site's backend, keeping things tidy and preventing it from reappearing on new pages. Finally, click Preview in the top right to confirm the chat bubble no longer appears for visitors. It's a good idea to check mobile view as well. If everything looks good, click Publish to make your changes live. If you still see the bubble on the live site, refresh the page or try an incognito window to rule out caching. That's it. Thanks for watching.